Hey guys, so I've been using my Cricut to make stickers at home, and it's been a lot of fun and it's super easy to do. But one issue that I've ran into is the sensor marks that go around the design when you're cutting it. Sometimes the Cricut machine will not pick up those sensor marks and it'll say that they're unreadable, or maybe it picks up something else thinking it's the sensor mark and then your cut is just way off. And there's a couple reasons that can happen. Sometimes the light is just dirty and you need to clean it. One of the easiest ways is to take a clean, dry watercolor paintbrush and swipe across the light. Sometimes it needs to be calibrated, but if you've tried those things and it's still having issues, I think I know what the problem might be. If your sticker has a black border around it, kind of like this one does here, what happens, and we'll go to make it so I can show you, what happens is this border is too close to the sensor line. And when the machine goes to scan, it picks up a little bit of that black border and it thinks that that might be the sensor line. So it either causes the cut to be slightly off, or it just tells you that it's unreadable and you can't do anything. If you're running into this issue, I think I have a solution. I've tried it for a few of my projects and it's been working really well. So let's see if you have the same results. We're going to go to Shapes and insert a circle. And we're going to change the color of the circle to white. And then we're going to add a second shape. And we're going to put it right at the center and make it really small. And we're going to change that to red. Now what we want to do is highlight both those. And you'll see over here on the right in our layers section that they're marked as cuts. So if you were to leave it like that, they're going to be put on a separate sheet and not be cut as a print and cut. To fix that, we just hit flatten. So now those are marked as print and cut. What we're going to do is make these really, really small, just 1/2 inch. And then we need 4 of them, 1 for each corner of the design. And 1 more. Okay, so now let's hit make it. And when we're in here, we're going to take these and move them to each corner. And the reason that I put that red dot there is because if you made it solid white, you would not be able to click it and find it very easily. So putting a little dot of color in there really helps. So let's move them down just to each corner there. And then we'll distribute these a little bit better. And what's going to happen with this is it's going to take the black border around your sticker design and it's just moving it farther away from the sensor line that goes around the whole page. So now when the machine goes to scan here and here and here and around, hopefully it's not going to catch the border here. Now I know this doesn't always make sense because maybe you have too many sheets for one design, but this is a solution that I found and it's worked for me. The sensor hits here and then stops. So give it a shot. Let me know what you think. And leave your feedback in the comments. One other solution that I have ran into as well is sometimes your printer just doesn't print a very strong black line. If that's the case, line up a ruler when you've printed. Line up a ruler along here and take a black Sharpie and just draw a very precise straight line within this line. Do not go into the white at all the way down on each side. That can help too. But I think this one right here will solve your problems. Let me know in the comments. Have a good one.